This hour, we begin with the breaking news from the Pinecrest Nursing Home in Bobcaygeon, Ontario. There are new numbers this hour. 3 more residents have in fact succumbed to the disease just in the past 24 hours. That means the number of fatalities linked to that long-term care home is 13. 12 residents, 1 volunteer. Chris Glover is on the story for us, and he's live in Bobcaygeon right near the facility. You can see the sign just over his shoulder. Chris, the picture is getting worse and worse by the hour. What is the latest information?
That's correct. Each hour it just becomes more devastating as we learn of the death toll from this facility. The medical director was telling me on the phone a short while ago that she anticipated this, that there would be more deaths, and she still thinks more may be coming because so many of the people inside this nursing home are showing symptoms right now, and some of them continue to be in critical condition. The other issue here is that so many of the staff members are also sick, and many of them are off sick as a result of that. The MP for the area is applauding the province and nursing associations for finding backup, getting more personal support workers into this facility to help care for these people who, many of them we know, are sick. And the MP was also applauding frontline workers here at this facility and throughout the community. We know that many people in this neighborhood and in this community are sharing in applauding frontline workers and these support workers. Yesterday evening around 7:30, just like we're seeing across so many parts of the country, Heather, here on this main highway, we saw a cavalcade of vehicles honking horns, waving, playing music, trying to show that they are thankful for the work that is going on inside this facility to save the seniors, many of whom we know are sick. I spoke with one resident here in Bobcaygeon who reacted to that cavalcade.
Probably going to hear that we're one heck of a town, and we support our businesses, we support our community, everything. So this town will pull through. And all I can say to everybody is stay home. It's really serious. I'm proud to be a Canadian. I'm very proud that I live here, and I'm very proud of the people around.
And Heather, I also just got off the phone with the mayor for this area, Andy Leatham, and he was telling me that all he can do is watch in horror. He says for over a week now, he's been walking around with a knot in the pit of his stomach, just worried, as we mentioned, that this continues to get worse hour by hour.
As they look at containing that spread and stopping its spread through the facility, Chris, what do they know in terms of what may have led to its spread in the first place?
Well, officials are still trying to figure out how it got into this facility. There are a lot of rumors about how that might have started, but the medical director says at this point the source has not been located. However, she suggests that the spread might have something to do with the way this facility is laid out.
65 residents. There's not 65 rooms. You know, there's a small number of private rooms. There are some double rooms, and there are some ward rooms with 4 beds.
And Heather, she also said something to me that has really stuck with me, and that is the fact that in her 32 years of practicing medicine in this province, she's never seen anything so bad. It just puts into perspective how difficult this crisis is right now.
Chris, thank you very much.